In 1 minute, I'm going to show you how you can edit an ebook cover using ChatGPT. Okay, now we actually know the benefits of an ebook online. Once you're able to create an ebook online, you can easily sell them to your audience and you get your income directly to the channel which you have actually programmed that ebook. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can create and edit an ebook cover in just 1 minute using ChatGPT. Now, in exchange of the value you'll be getting in this video, all I ask for you is to please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch.
Now I said, help me remove the image on this and leave only the text. Look at what it actually did. It actually removed the image from this textbook. Now I said, add this to the book above and match it perfectly with the book. Now this is what I got. So you can see the perfection of using ChatGPT.
As you can see, this is not even up to 1 minute. We just created an ebook cover for this my product. This is where I'm driving to. Most of you will say you don't have a side hustle, you don't have money to pay for training, but you have ChatGPT and Canva. Now, this is what you can do with ChatGPT and Canva. ChatGPT is there to help you generate your prompt depending on what you want to sell online. You can actually write stories and sell online using ChatGPT. You can actually tell ChatGPT to give you a prompt regarding what you do online or whatever you want. ChatGPT is going to generate you prompts, titles, sections of what you want. Just give ChatGPT the prompt. Now, this is what Canva is going to do for you. Canva will only segment what you have captured, what you have generated, the script you have generated from ChatGPT. Now, on Canva, you can see a template to use as an ebook. Canva will give you access to use some free templates as an ebook to generate your books online. Now, once you get your text on ChatGPT, you can now move your text down to Canva and generate your ebook. As simple as that. That is a simple side hustle that can fetch you a lot of earnings every single day. Now, if you want to program this ebook, you can actually use Seller and use your link to advertise your product, your ebook. And once individuals found that your ebook is actually impactable, as in your ebook is actually making sense, you are going to be getting traffic. You can go ahead to promote, advertise your ebook, and you should know that once you have much traffic, you are actually getting more generated income for yourself. So that is what you can use the value of ChatGPT plus Canva to do right in today's world. You don't necessarily need a mentor to tell you how to use ChatGPT or Canva, but if you actually want me to direct you, mentor you on how you can use this as a side hustle, you can actually send me a message using the phone number pinned on this video to reach out to me, and we'll get started with this training. However, you can actually use my prompts and also create an ebook cover for your own product, and you can actually have them designed as you want them. Just give ChatGPT the prompts you want and you'll be getting exactly what you wanted. And don't forget that 95% of online earners actually make use of ChatGPT. No one will tell you this. Be smart. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. Okay, it's always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I can share you some updates that you can get right here on this channel. And so see you on my next video, and keep winning.